Hey everybody, Bill James here, Tech for Senior, and let's talk Windows 11. It's the newest version of Windows, and it's all about making your computer not just a tool, but an extension of yourself. Windows 11 is designed to be more intuitive, more user-friendly, and more customizable than any version before it. That means making it look exactly how you want. You can change the wallpaper, adjust the themes, and even tweak the colors to match your mood or style. Windows 11 is super powerful, but it can also be super personal. You can set it up to work the way you do with virtual desktops, snap layouts, and more. We're not just talking about performance, we're talking about a seamless experience that feels uniquely yours. Imagine having a workspace that adapts to your needs, whether you're working, gaming, or just browsing the web. Think of it like this. You wouldn't buy a brand new car and never change the radio station, right? You'd set it to your favorite channels, adjust the seat, and make it comfortable for you. This guide is here to make sure your Windows 11 experience is top-notch from the second you boot up. We'll walk you through the setup process, show you how to customize your settings, and help you get the most out of your new OS. Ready to dive in? Let's go. We'll explore the new features, the improved performance, and the enhanced security that Windows 11 brings to the table. All right, let's get this show on the road and turn your Windows 11 into something truly spectacular. From the new Start menu to the integrated Microsoft Teams, there's so much to discover. So buckle up and let's make your Windows 11 experience one to remember. First things first, we got to find where all the cool customization stuff is hiding. Don't worry, it's easier than building a PC, probably. Right-click anywhere on your desktop. That's the main screen you see after your computer turns on. You'll see a menu pop up. Look for Personalize at the middle of the menu and click it. Boom. Welcome to your Personalization Hub. This is where the magic happens, folks. From backgrounds to colors, it's all here. It's time to transform that desktop from blah to bam. Ready? Let's go. Ready? The desktop background is like the wallpaper of your digital house. Let's make it awesome. In the personalization settings, you'll see Background. Click it. You can choose a picture, a solid color, or even a slideshow of pictures. Want to use your own picture? Click Browse Photos, find your favorite photo and click Choose Picture. Bam! New background. Remember, your background should make you happy. Choose something that you love to look at. Next up, Colors, Windows. 11 lets you choose the colors of your Windows buttons and more. Go back to your personalization settings and look for colors. Click it. You'll see a bunch of options. You can choose a pre-made color theme, or you can create your own. Feel free to experiment. If you want Windows to choose colors based on your background, turn on Automatically Pick an Accent Color from My Background. Remember, the right colors can make your computer feel more like you. Theme Time pre-built styles for easy makeovers. Themes are like pre-designed outfits for your computer. They change your background, colors, and even sounds all at once. Back in your personalization settings, click on Themes. You'll see a bunch of pre-made themes. Click on one to see a preview. If you like it, click Apply. Themes are a great way to quickly change the entire look and feel of your computer. Lock screen lowdown, what you see before you start. The lock screen is the first thing you see when you turn on your computer. Let's make it awesome. Go back to the main personalization settings. This time click on lock screen. Just like with the background, you can choose a picture, a slideshow, or even a Windows Spotlight image that changes every day. You can also add quick status to your lock screen. This lets you see things like the weather or your calendar without even unlocking your computer. Widget wonders. Information at your fingertips. Widgets are like mini apps that live on your desktop. They provide quick access to essential information and tools without the need to open full applications. They can show you the news, keeping you updated with the latest headlines and stories from around the world. The weather, so you can plan your day accordingly. Your calendar, to keep track of important events and appointments, and more. You can find widgets by clicking the widgets icon on your taskbar. This icon is conveniently located for easy access. It looks like a little square made of smaller squares, making it easily recognizable among other icons. Click the widgets icon and a panel will slide out from the left side of your screen. This panel is your gateway to a world of information and functionality. You can add or remove widgets based on your preferences, rearrange them to suit your workflow, and even resize them to fit your needs. Widgets are a great way to stay informed without having to open a bunch of different apps. They streamline your desktop experience, making it more efficient and user-friendly. For instance, you can set up a to-do list widget to keep track of your daily tasks and check them off as you complete them. Or, if you're into finance, a stock market widget can provide real-time updates on your investments. You can even customize your news feed to show stories from your favorite sources, ensuring you get the information that matters most to you. Sports enthusiasts can keep track of scores and updates from their favorite teams with a sports widget. And for a personal touch, you can set up a photo widget to display a slideshow of your favorite memories. The possibilities are endless with widgets on Windows 11. They offer a customizable and convenient way to access the information and tools you need right at your fingertips. Embrace the power of widgets and transform your desktop into a hub of productivity and information. With widgets, everything you need is just a click away, making your digital life simpler and more organized. Sound off picking your audio identity. Sound might not seem like a visual thing, but it plays a big part in how you experience your computer. To change your sound settings, go back to the main settings menu and click System, and then Sound. Here, you can change things like your system sounds, your input and output devices, and your microphone settings. You can even choose different sounds for different events, like getting a new email or plugging in a device. Mouse magic, clicking and scrolling your way. Your mouse is your trusty sidekick in the world of Windows. It's the tool that helps you navigate through your digital life with ease and precision. Whether you're browsing the web, working on a document, or playing your favorite game, your mouse is always there to assist you. Let's make sure it's working exactly how you like it. Customizing your mouse settings can greatly enhance your productivity and comfort. Go back to the main Settings app by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard and typing Settings. This is your gateway to personalizing your Windows experience. Click on the Settings app. Once you're in, you'll see a variety of options that allow you to tweak and tune your system to your liking. In the Settings app, click on Bluetooth and Devices. This section is where you can manage all your connected devices, including your mouse. Then, click on Mouse. Here, you'll find all the settings related to your mouse. Here you can change things like your primary mouse button, left or right-handed, your scroll speed and your cursor speed. Adjusting these settings can make your mouse more responsive and comfortable to use. You can even change your mouse pointer to something more fun, adding a touch of personality to your computer, like a different color or a cool shape. This can make your cursor easier to see and more enjoyable to use. Experiment with different options until you find the perfect look and feel for your mouse pointer. Remember, your mouse is an extension of you, so make it as unique as you are. Once you've made your changes, take a moment to test them out. Move your cursor around and see how it feels. If something doesn't feel right, you can always go back and make further adjustments. With the right settings, your mouse can become an even more powerful tool, making your time on the computer more efficient and enjoyable. So, take the time to customize it to your liking and enjoy the enhanced experience. Make it yours, unleashing your inner Windows wizard. So there you have it. That's how you personalize your Windows 11 experience. Remember, your computer is your digital space. Make it a place you love to be. Don't be afraid to experiment with different settings until you find what you like best. And most importantly, have fun with it. I'm Bill James, Tech for Senior. Thanks for watching and listening. Now go forth and make Windows 11 truly yours.
iPad OS 18 transforms iPad into a powerhouse for work and play. I'm Hewie Poplock. Apple's latest update, iPad OS 18, brings a host of exciting new features to compatible iPads, focusing on productivity, privacy, and user experience. Here are 10 additions that are set to transform how you use your iPad. 1. Smart Notes, your new meeting assistant. The Notes app has received a major upgrade with audio recording and real-time transcription capabilities. Imagine capturing every word of your meeting or lectures, instantly convert it into searchable text. But that's not all. Apple's AI can now help you create tables, lists, and summaries based on your notes, making organization a breeze. 2. Calculator, not just for numbers. After years of waiting, iPad users finally have a native calculator app. But this isn't your average number cruncher. It supports math notes, allowing you to evaluate expressions, assign variables, and even plot graphs. Need to convert units or currencies? You can do that with the Calculator app. Fort Knox for your apps. Privacy takes center stage with the new app locking and hiding feature. Using Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode, you can now secure sensitive apps from prying eyes. Hidden apps are tucked away in a special album within the app library, ensuring your data remains confidential. 4. FaceTime. Share more than just smiles. FaceTime leaps forward with screen sharing capabilities. Whether you're collaborating on a project, giving a presentation, or providing tech support, you can now share your screen during calls. The remote control feature even allows you to navigate someone else's iPad, offering hands-on assistance from afar. 5. Control Center. Your iPad, your way. The redesigned Control Center offers unprecedented customization. Add more options, integrate third-party apps, and tailor your quick access menu to your liking. It's all about streamlining your iPad experience to match your unique needs. 6. Photos app, a picture-perfect overhaul. Managing your photo library just got easier. The Photos app now boasts a utility section for handling hidden, recently deleted, and duplicate photos. The redesigned interface makes better use of the iPad's spacious screen, turning photo organization from a chore into a pleasure. 7. Safari, a cleaner browsing experience. Say goodbye to distracting web elements. Safari now lets you hide ads, sidebars, comment sections, and other clutter, allowing you to focus on the content that matters. It's like having a personal web page cleaner at your fingertips. 8. Apple TV Plus. Dive deeper into your shows. Introducing the new Insight feature for Apple TV Plus, similar to Amazon's X-Ray. Get instant information about actors, characters, and music while watching your favorite shows and movies. It's like having a film buff friend always ready to share interesting tidbits. 9. Health app, tailored to your wellness journey. The Health app now offers more customization options. Prioritize the metrics that matter most to you, set personalized goals, and create custom dashboards. It's your health data presented your way. 10. iCloud Dashboard, your digital life organized. Managing your iCloud settings is now a breeze with the redesigned dashboard. Get detailed breakdowns of your storage usage, backup information, and quick access to iCloud Plus features. It's like having a personal assistant for your digital storage needs. iPadOS 18 is more than just an update. It's a significant leap forward in making your iPad an indispensable tool for work and play. From enhanced productivity features to improved privacy controls, a more intuitive user experience, these new additions ensure that your iPad remains at the cutting edge of technology. So update your device and start exploring these exciting new features today.
It is September 29th, and there are only 88 more days till Christmas. Yes, so you better get shopping. Today I want to talk about a special gift that I made this week, and I had a lot of fun doing it. It all is about printing on Google Photos. I wanted to share a personal experience with you and show you the picture that I created and how I did it in Google Photos. It's Ron Brown with Tech for Senior, where we help seniors come up with some great shopping ideas for Christmas presents. But not only Christmas presents, you can use Google Photos, particularly the photo books, as gifts for a lot of different reasons. And over the years, I've printed off a lot of Google Photos books. So let me show you how this works. But one of the key issues is that when you order these pictures from Google Photos or a book or whatever you're going to order, you actually can have it sent directly to the party involved. So it doesn't have to come back to you and then you have to mail away. You can ship it directly wherever you want within the country that you're printing in. Now, you should be aware that this feature is available in Canada and the United States and some selected countries around the world. So you'll have to check and find out which country it is available in. So I was just sitting thinking this week on what I was going to get my grandson for Christmas. Now, I had a very special experience this summer when my family arrived for the summer. My grandson, 7 years old, his name's Julian, talked to me, and my daughter informed me that it was his big wish that he wanted to go to Costco just with Grandpa and have a Costco hot dog. Now, as you probably know, I have a Costco ritual that every Tuesday morning I get up early in the morning and I'm the first person at Costco and I do my shopping. Julian always has been amazed at this and always wanted to go to Costco. This was his big deal. But he heard about these Costco hot dogs. He loves hot dogs and he wanted to go with Grandpa and have a Costco hot dog. He'd never been to Costco before, so this was a unique experience going with Grandpa. Well, we arrived, and of course, he had his hot dog, and I was able to snap a selfie of Julian and Grandpa sitting there having a hot dog. And it turned out to be one of those, special moments and incredible pictures that I got. So I thought this would be a great idea as one of his Christmas presents. I would make him a canvas picture and have it put up in his room for him when he arrived. So this is how I went about it. And again, it's a very simple process, but I just wanted to go over that and show you how I did it. So we're in my Google Photos on my PC. And if you look here to the left, you'll see that this is an album I've made with a few pictures. Let's open the album. And now you see, of course, I have a few pictures I've put in the album. You recognize Jennifer, of course. Again, we're in front of Costco. Here I am with Julian and Jennifer in swimming. But here's the pictures I'm really keen about. This is a picture of Julian sitting there at Costco with his hot dog. But as I turned around and used the selfie camera, this is the picture I took, and this is the one that I really like. I think that's a perfect picture for him for a Christmas present. All right, so let's take a look and see how I went about this. All right, the actual ordering of the print is very simple. All as we do is click the picture, and we'll come over to the right up to the three-dot menu, and we'll come down, and it says Order canvas print. That couldn't be easier. Click here, and here we are. We're going to choose what size of print we want. We have a large selection from 8 by 8 to 20 by 20. I'm going to choose 14 by 14. So we'll click, now the other thing you should know up here, get free delivery on selective Canada's orders until September 30th. So if you do it in Canada before September 30th, free shipping. All right, so we'll click next, and here's where you can decide how you want to have the edges placed on your canvas print. So you can either have it such as this, where the picture extends around onto the edge, or you can leave it as white, or you can have it as black. Because of the cropping, I didn't want the top of my head to be wrapped around, so I left it, just left it white. And now we're going to check out. So we click checkout, and this is the price is $68.99. I think that includes shipping and everything. Let's just have a look here. And as we come up, you'll see the information here. What I want to do is let's come down here, and I want to show you. I want to show you this because you can now add a delivery address. So we now can choose another delivery option where you can choose where you want it to be sent. And then you can say save changes, and off it's mailed. Now in actual fact, they said the delivery time was going to take about 3 weeks. Mine arrived within 10 days. It came by Canada Post. As you'll see here, it's in a very a nice package. You open it up, it's well wrapped. It comes mounted on the frame with the hanger on the back and all ready to be put up. So it's that easy. So anyway, have a look at this. I wanted to share my experience with you this week. Super easy to do, and I think it is a great option for a Christmas present. Have a great day. It's Ron Brown with Tech for Senior.